Design. There are three main assumptions about the design of the iPhone SE2. According to the first, it is expected that the iPhone SE2 will be a copy of the iPhone 7, of course, except for the size, just like the iPhone SE is apparently indistinguishable from the iPhone 5s. Some experts have suggested that Apple intends to release new 4-inch smartphones in the future, based on fresh flagship models. iPhone SE2, release date, review, price, features, and photos. According to the second, the iPhone SE will be simpler and will be the external copy of the iPhone 6. However, considering that the iPhone 6 and iPhone 7 as a whole have a similar design, these versions are not very different. The third assumption is considered the most likely. iPhone SE may second be an improved version of the original iPhone SE technically. This means that the smartphone will get the same design, but improved performance. Most analysts are inclined to this version, because, according to them, Apple does not have the time and resources to release a full-fledged updated compact iPhone. It is important to note that in relation to the appearance of the iPhone SE there were no leaks from the number of reliable, coming from reputable insiders and analysts. This may be due either to the fact that the iPhone SE2 is in Apple's long-term plans, or to the fact that the company keeps the development of the smartphone under the strictest secret. iPhone SE2, release date, review, price, features, and photos. Display. Sources of Resource Focus Taiwan said that the display of the smartphone will have a diagonal of 4 to 4.2 inches. Thus, the display of iPhone SE may second increase compared with the original model. However, the smartphone will remain compact. After other sources confirmed that the iPhone SE2 will retain its main feature, a compact size. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe and like.